Inseego is just announced and is soon coming out with a brand new 5G gateway device, the FX4200. This one does have an X72 modem, is very similar to the T-Mobile-exclusive model that came out earlier this year, but it does have some important differences. So if this is something you may be interested in, stay tuned for the details. Hi, I'm Andy with the Mobile Internet Resource Center. I got a quick update for you on a new product coming out from Inseego. This is from their Wavemaker line of business-focused routers. This one is the FX4200. Now, this is very similar to the FX4100 that came out earlier this year in May, and the FX4100 is a T-Mobile business exclusive router, so that's the only place you can get it. This one, however, is an all-carrier router, supports all carrier, is certified on all three carriers, AT&T, Verizon, and T-Mobile. So it does cover all those carriers, and it does have that same X72 modem from Qualcomm. So that's the next generation after most of the routers we've seen recently for the past couple of years, which is the X62 and X65 modems. So this is a more advanced modem that has faster speeds, more carrier aggregation, and faster throughput than the older generation. Now, this new router does come with some differences from the previous one that came out for T-Mobile. One of these differences is with the Ethernet ports. This router has pretty good Ethernet connectivity. It has two 2.5 gig WAN and LAN ports, and then it has additionally 2 gigabit LAN ports. So that's a total of 4 Ethernet ports, which is nice to see, and 2 of them can be WAN ports. It also has 2 USB-C ports. One of those is a data out port, so you can hook USB-C, for example, between this and a laptop or even a different router if it supports USB tethering via USB-C. And then the other USB-C port is power only, so that's how you power the router, is via USB. For cellular antenna ports, it does come with 4 SMA external ports. So that is really nice to see that it has 4 external ports, unlike the previous T-Mobile FX4100 model. And in a 5G world, especially with a more advanced modem like the X72, you really want those 4 external ports to be able to use an external antenna to get the best possible signal to that speedy modem. And unusually, this router has an internal battery. The battery isn't very big. It's about the same capacity as a flagship level smartphone. And since this is a full-featured router, the battery is not going to give you comparable runtime to a smartphone. And so it is not really intended, and it's not advertised to be a battery-first device. The battery is more intended to be a backup in case power goes out, or as a bridge. If you need to move the router from one location to another, you can unplug it. It will stay connection and then plug it in at the new location. But still, that's a nice feature to have, and it can be especially nice for mobile users who, may have power issues or switch from shore to house power and have interruptions and stuff like that. So it could be a useful feature to have for mobile use. However, Inseego doesn't really intend for this line of Wavemaker routers to be mobile devices. They're really targeting the fixed wireless access market, especially for business customers. And the Wavemaker series does come with Inseego's sort of cloud service, cloud enterprise service called Inseego Connect, which provides remote provisioning, tracking, and other sort of cloud-based business features that you would typically see in that kind of product. But if this is something that's interested to you, it is coming out either later this month, November 2025, or in early December 2025, and it's going to cost $899. So check it out if you're interested in. But that does it for today. We appreciate you watching. Stay connected, and we'll see you next time.
These videos are brought to you by our premium members, our mobile internet aficionados. They make it possible for us to track this news and create these videos. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, or better yet, consider becoming a member yourself.